Finally leaving. Getting off the train in a couple minutes. I'll update again.
All around the world to quarry the granite from Stone Mountain.
It keeps roaring, dude.
And just like around the world, you can find it at the post office down the street. Also in Federal Gold Depository at Fort Knox, Washington Monument, and Washington D.C. The Panama Canal, and even in the Imperial Guard Hotel, all the way in Tokyo, Japan. Ground, 83 feet above sea level. Stone Mountain is equivalent to more than 2. That's equivalent to. That's a lot of stone. Just don't take it for granted.
The whole flippin' mountain here. All the stone mountains. Might not look big on camera, but I mean, it looks huge, bro. It's massive, dude. Yelled again. My apologies to headphone users.
It's going to be super amazing. It starts out at 8:30, and if you look to your right, you can see your seats. Anywhere on the line is prime seating for the show. So see y'all there.
Big log. This is crazy. Hoodwinked car. Hoodwinked. Hoodwinked alert. Hoodwinked alert.
Please remain seated until the gates have opened for you. The train is. Please remain seated until the train is no longer moving.
We finna do the drone show.
The gates will be open for you. Again.
Drone show's about to come up. I'm gonna do another video on my channel. #1 Diebones fan. Please check it out in a minute. It's over. Didn't get to record the drone show. Phone died. Oopsie doodle.